The other thing I wanted to touch on in this video are problems like this, or say when you're doing a longer one like this one of the pieces might factor into something that looks like this. Okay? And what a lot of people tend to do in the beginning when they haven't had a lot of practice with these problems is say, okay, well I have an X on top and an X on the bottom, so I can just, I'm going to rewrite it here. So I have x plus 5 over x minus 4, and just cancel these x's, so I have 5/4 negative 5/4. The problem with that is that it's absolutely wrong. Okay? The reason that it's wrong is because these are quantities. So this is basically one whole thing, and this is a whole nother thing. So you doing this would be like trying to cancel or add apples and oranges. So we can pretend that this is an apple and this is an orange. They don't go together. And I'll show you why. If we solved like this, that would mean that every single answer would be negative 5/4 whenever we worked it out, because the x's cancel because they don't matter, right? So let's try it. So let's say we sub in values for x. Let's say x is 1. So 1 plus 5 over 1 minus 4. So we get 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1 minus 4 is negative 3. This simplifies. 6 over negative 3. Negative 3 goes into 6 twice, so this just becomes negative 2. Okay? And now, let's try another value. So if this is correct, and we can just cancel straight away, whatever value we plug in for x should yield negative 2. So let's just say 2. Now we have 2 plus 5 over 2 minus 4. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and 2 minus 4 is going to be negative 2. So negative 7/2 is going to be, let's see, that's going to be, that can't actually be simplified any further if we can convert it into a mixed number, which would be negative 3 1/2. But you can see that it's not 2. So that's exactly why we can't cancel straight up and down like this when we have addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction are not commutative. So what that means is that the order that you do them in matters. That's why these numbers end up giving you values that aren't the same. That's why we cannot simplify this way, because addition and subtraction are not commutative, and these are quantities, and you can't cancel out single pieces from quantities. I hope that cleared some things up. If you guys have any questions, email me, post them to comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.